today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a very exciting thrift haul. So I popped into Wickford to carry on my Christmas shopping. If you saw my previous video, you'll know I've started doing that. So I started Christmas shopping early this year. Well, to be fair, I always start in September, so I'm actually a bit late to the game. But I'm going to try and shop all of my Christmas presents secondhand or make them, which just means I need to kind of have a bit of a head start just because it's going to take a little bit longer. To be honest, I only actually ended up getting one Christmas present. I got a couple of Christmas related items, some things for the beauty studio, some clothes. So it's a real mixed bag haul. But as I say, I popped into Wickford today, which is like a town kind of 5-10 minutes away from me, and I actually got some really good bits and really liked the charity shops there. So definitely if you're in the area, definitely check out the Wickford ones. They are really good. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start with kind of the biggest thing I got, which is something, if you've been around here for a while, you'll know I've been hunting for. So I'm currently in my beauty studio, which is what I do full time. And I've wanted to make a gallery wall, but the main focus of the gallery wall, I want to be a gold ornate mirror, which is what I found today for £2 in St Luke's Hospice. It's just this gorgeous gold mirror. You can see yourself probably on the tripod. But yes, it's just a gold mirror in a frame. It was £2, and this is just the perfect size. I didn't want one that was going to be too big and kind of take up the whole wall. I wanted it to be relatively small, and a lot of the ones I was seeing were quite big, but this is literally the perfect size. I've also then got some gold frames that I thrifted from Oxfam a couple of weeks ago, which I'm going to use. And then my friend Holly done me some art for my birthday, so that will go in there. And then I've got some other things I want to pop in there. So that's really happy. I'm so happy I got that. This is one of the first things I saw and grabbed that straight away, especially when I saw the price. I looked at these in an antique centre and they were about 25 upwards. And I've seen other ones in charity shops, but none for like less than £10. So I'm so chuffed with that. The next thing I picked up was this kind of little wreath. This was £1.50 and it was from, let's see if I can remember. I don't know if it says. I can't actually remember where this is from. It's one of the charity shops there, which if you are from Wickford, it's one like kind of nearest Lidl. Anyway, I got this because if you've seen my Summerhill kind of garden centre video, you'll see that they had these lovely displays. I'll try and put up a picture of these little kind of arrangements that they've made. They were literally like over £100 for an arrangement. They were literally some foliage and then some like baubles and things like that. So I thought I'd pick up this foliage. I thought it looked really realistic. I will probably end up cutting this and kind of extending it long. But I thought this was gorgeous, and for £1.50 I thought I'd pick it up, and I'm just kind of going and grabbing things for the display kind of as and when I see it. And I also got for the display this sign. This was £1 from Sue Ryder, and it's just this Merry Christmas. Now I'm potentially going to use this on the sign, kind of not on the sign, on the arrangement, depending on how big it is. If not, I'll probably just put this on the mantelpiece. I think this is the perfect thing to go across your fireplace because it's kind of long enough to do that. I thought it was super cute. For £1 I picked that up. And then finally for the display I picked up this. Now this was £1.50 again from Sue Ryder, and it's just this gorgeous kind of 2 votive holder candle holders. So I'm thinking this with some foliage all around it with some candles to kind of give it some height, I think would look gorgeous. And for £1.50 I thought I'd pick this up, and even if we don't use it in this specific display, this would be great for any kind of Christmas decorations on the table. And also even when it's not Christmas, this isn't festive, so this is a really good way to use your arrangement but also use things you already have or things that you can use again. So we can use this on our mantelpiece all year round. It doesn't have to just be for Christmas, but I thought this was gorgeous, and for £1.50 I picked that up. The only thing is these do pop out, which is good for cleaning but bad when you're trying to transport it, so I had to just be careful of that as I was shopping. The next thing I picked up was for my mum for Christmas, probably. This was £1 and it was from St Luke's Hospice. The man wrapped it up nicely for me, and it's just this gorgeous kind of candle holder. I don't know where this is originally from. I know Yankee Candle do lots like this, but I'll try and show you. Basically what will happen is when there's a candle inside, the glow from the candle will shine through all of these little speckles in this, and I just think that'll look absolutely gorgeous. So whether I give this to my mum or someone else, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a Yankee Candle or some other nice candle and that's small enough to fit inside it in the charity shops, and I think that'd be a really lovely gift to receive. It's silver, so it's nice and neutral, so it'll go with kind of any decor, and I just think that was super cute, so I had to pick that up for £1. And I just think things like that, like the handbag I got in my last video, are good kind of presents just to have on hand. And then if you need to bump up someone's present, if someone kind of gives you a surprise gift you're not expecting, then it's nice to have them sort of things on hand. I think all the rest of the things are clothes and accessories. So I'll show you the accessories first. So for £1 from St Luke's Hospice, I picked up these sunglasses. Now I know these are going to be a major love or hate, but I actually think these are so cute. They're also like super blurry, so I don't actually think I could wear these kind of out if I wanted to actually see. I could wear them like that, but I think these are super cute and I'm really happy I picked these ones up. But oh my gosh, they are so blurry. I don't know if they're like prescription or something, but they are the blurriest things ever. But I thought the print on these is like really cute. It's kind of like tortoiseshell, cheetah print. I don't know, it's super cute. So I picked them up for £1. I also picked up from St Luke's Hospice again in a size 16 for £1 this bikini top. So it's basically got a tie up front there and then it ties around the back. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, you'll know I've got quite a big chest. So to find bikini tops that actually have decent coverage is really difficult. But I thought this would be perfect. I thought this would also be quite a good kind of tanning bikini because you could kind of tie this as tight as you need around the back. And then you could pull the straps down if you want to. But I just thought this was gorgeous and I thought I'd pick this up. Just then it can go like that and then I can kind of have as much or as little coverage as I want, kind of how if I tie this up or not. I just thought it'd be really cute. And for £1, I thought I could pair this with kind of any black bottoms that I own already, and I thought that was a perfect little bikini top for £1. It is the bikini top. I've actually just popped it on with some trousers, but yeah, I think it's super cute. It isn't the most flattering. Like, I've got quite a big chest and I feel like it kind of squishes me down, but also I'm kind of hanging out of it. But for £1 for a bikini top, I literally never find any that are super flattering. But I do actually think this is quite cute. I like the pattern of it. I really like the crinkled kind of fabric. I think it's really cute, and yeah, really happy with it for £1. Absolute bargain. And also I feel like I could untie the top bit quite easily and then kind of tie it back and then wear that kind of as a more tanning bikini. So yeah, super happy with this. The next thing I picked up also from St Luke's Hospice is originally from In The Style and it's a size 16. Is this gorgeous kind of lemon, very spring summer dress. My only thing with this dress is it looked very, very short, and I really don't ever wear short dresses, but I thought I could potentially wear little shorts underneath this, or I could try and kind of tie the, like kind of sew the inner bit into a play suit. But I thought this is super cute. You'll obviously see it better on in the try on clip, but I thought for £2.50 you literally can't go wrong. And in this style dress for £2.50, like, that's so good. Okay, this one I am obsessed with. This is literally one of the prettiest dresses I've put on in such a long time, and the fact that I got this for £2.50 just makes it even more beautiful in my eyes. I just think this is gorgeous. I love the colour. I think this will look lovely with the tan, which I still do have a bit of spray tan on from my birthday. And oh my gosh, I actually love it. The length actually doesn't feel too short at all when I've got it on. And oh my gosh, I just love this. I literally feel like a princess. Like, I'm debating on layering underneath this and trying to get away with this for Disney, because it's just the prettiest thing I've ever put on my body. And I feel like I just need to wear it constantly. I love this. I'm so sad we're going into autumn winter now because I just love this and I wish I had a chance to wear it in summer. But oh my gosh, I love this. I can't really rave about this enough. This is literally a time when I'm like, thank the Lord for thrifting. Like, seriously, if you haven't already, go charity shopping. Like, you can find gems like this for £2.50 and I'm just so happy. This is definitely one of the reasons I love thrifting, and the fact I got this second hand, the fact I got it for cheap, but there's literally no cons to thrifting. This is in perfect condition. I just chuck it in the wash so it smells all nice and fresh. And oh my gosh, I just love this. This is so beautiful and I literally don't want to take it off. And again, from St Luke's Hospice for £1.50 in a size large, I got this Under Armour top. Now, I thought this was absolutely perfect to wear to the gym. I actually am going to start going to the gym again from tonight, so, which will be Wednesday for you guys. I thought this would be gorgeous, just with some black leggings, and I like to wear a top over my sports bra, and I just think this is super cute, and I thought I picked it up for £1.50. Here is the Under Armour top. Obviously, I'm wearing this with leggings that you couldn't kind of see the seams through so much. I'm actually wearing my flared trousers right now, but yes, this is super cute. I like how it's actually quite skin tight. A lot of the tops I wear to the gym are really baggy, and sometimes I want something a little bit tighter. I sometimes feel like that's sometimes more comfortable. So this is definitely a day where I'm feeling like I don't want to kind of wear a baggy t-shirt, and I want to wear something a little bit more skin tight. But I think it's super cute. It fits really nicely. And for £1.50 for an Under Armour top, like, that's just insane. So really good gym wear in the charity shops. I know some people get a bit funny about that, but I literally just chuck it in the gym, no, chuck it in the wash, sorry, and then I feel like it's fine. But yeah, really happy with this. I'm glad I picked it up. Finally, from St Luke's Hospice, I say finally, just from the St Luke's Hospice stuff, we've still got more. In a size 16, originally from PLT, for £5, I got this gorgeous kind of tie-dye green ruched midi dress. That was a lot of words and a lot of descriptive things, but it looked very small, but it is very stretchy, so I'm hoping this does fit. As I say, it is a size 16, so there is no reason why this shouldn't fit, but I just thought this was super cute. I love green, and I thought this would be a super fun dress to style. as I've mentioned loads of times, it's all my friends' 21st coming up, so I know I've got lots of dresses, they've got lots of parties and stuff to go to, plus with Christmas around the corner, I know I'll have kind of Christmas, New Year parties and things like that, so I thought I'd pick this up, and for £5, it's a little bit pricier than I'd probably spend on a charity shop dress, especially just from Pretty Little Thing, but I thought this was super cute and a nice on-trend piece, which I'm really excited to style. Here is the green Midaxi dress. I love this. I'm not quite sure on the neckline. I find that obviously I'd have to wear a strapless bra because otherwise my bra straps would inevitably on show. But I do think with a black leather jacket, I just feel a little bit more secure in this. I just think the top half isn't the most flattering, but then on the bottom, I think it is. It makes my bum look insane, which is literally the main thing I look for. So I think this style with some black chunky boot, a black leather jacket, I think this would be a gorgeous outfit. And I kind of love outfits I prefer with a jacket, just because then when it comes to autumn winter, I don't feel bad about putting a jacket on a dress. But yeah, I love this one a lot, and for £5 I think this is great. And yeah, it makes my bum look insane, it makes my figure look quite nice. So yeah, really happy with this. Just would have to wear a strapless bra, and I feel like once I was wearing a strapless bra I wouldn't be so insecure about my strap showing, and maybe would like the neckline a little bit more. But yeah, I think it's super cute, and for £5 I'm really happy. Then from Sue Ryder, which is originally from Next, for £3.50, it was, I believe, in a size 16, I got this skirt. Now, I never ever wear short skirts. There's something about it I just don't think suits me. However, I picked this up to try and style. I'm trying to find where the front is. I think that's the front. And it is just this gorgeous kind of wrap skirt. Now, again, if you've been around here for a while, I know I keep on saying that, I have been looking for a white tennis skirt for ages and couldn't find one. Now I know this isn't a tennis skirt, but it's still kind of a white short skirt, which is definitely the style I've been looking for. Now I'm praying this suits me. I never wear short skirts. In fact, I never really even wear skirts. So this is something definitely out of my comfort zone, but for £3.50, I thought I'd try it out and hope that it fits. I know I've got loads and loads and loads of tops I think will look gorgeous with a white skirt, so I'm really hoping this fits. Obviously you'll see on the try on clip, but if I can't style it, then I'm sure I will put it on my Depop. But yeah, I just really want this to work, so I picked this one up. The skirt. Now I'm really not sure about this. I like it in principle, but actually I just don't think I should suit short skirts. There's something about it, I don't think it flatters my body type. I feel like it doesn't highlight my curves, and I feel like it makes me look just a bit straight up and down. And I'm not sure. I don't think I like it. I really want to, like with all my being, I want to like a short skirt, but I just don't think they're the thing for me. But I will pop this on my Depops. If any of you guys are interested, then definitely look on there. But yeah, not quite sure, just don't think it's for me. Then from, I'm going to say, Bernardo's. From Bernardo's in a size extra large for £4, I got this Adidas Jumper. Now, I think this would look super cute, styled with like some faux leather trousers, some black like chunky boots, maybe even a leather jacket. And I just think this would be such a cute look. So it's just this jumper in this gorgeous khaki colour with the Adidas kind of embroidered logo on the side. Now, it says it's in a large, but to be fair, this doesn't actually look super big. So I'm really hoping it fits. In fact, this is an XL. I just don't think it looks super big, and I do want it to be quite oversized. I'm hoping I can style this, as I said, with leggings and boots, and I think that'd be a really cool outfit. I feel like it'll be a bit more edgy and a bit more trendy than the stuff I normally wear, but I thought this is super cute, and it's this fun like kind of puffery style. It kind of feels a bit like a bomber jacket, and then the inside is kind of that sort of material. It feels like a material that you'd have in like the bibs that you'd wear in primary school and PE. That's the only way I can describe the inside feeling, which is a bit strange, but I'd probably wear a bodysuit or something underneath this anyway. But yes, that is an Adidas jumper for £4 I got from Bernardo's. The jumper, this actually fits exactly how I'd want it to fit. It's also super lightweight, which is great, but I do definitely think it will keep me warm. This is exactly the fit that I was wanted. I feel like this is made like what's it called, like Kanye vibes. I don't know, it's like about this kind of colour and the kind of oversized look of it. I think this, instead with some black leggings, I actually just popped in more black flares at the moment because they're all I can find, and to be fair, even that looks quite fun. I just think this is a perfect kind of warm but still trendy outfit. I think with maybe some statement jewellery. I just think this would be a super cute outfit, and I'm really happy. This is also the time I wish I could pull off a cap, because I feel like a cap would look pretty cool with this, but nah, it just doesn't suit me. But yeah, I'm really happy with this and really glad I picked it up. And finally, ending on possibly the most boring item I got, which was probably a bad way around to do it, for £3, originally from George. I got it from Bernardo's in a size 14. I just got this black cardigan. I wear all black for work, and I normally just wear like black leggings and a black little vest top or a black jumpsuit. But now it's getting colder, I just wanted to have a cardigan just to throw over while I'm doing a set of nails, while I'm doing some waxing, and I just want that extra bit of heat. I did have one originally, I did get from the charity shops last last year, but it's so too small for me now, and it's also super creased, and there's like no way to get the crease out of it. I think it went in the tumble, and ever since it came out of the tumble, it's too small and it just was so crinkled. Anyway, I picked up this one. It's a bit of a long line cardigan, which is actually quite cozy while I'm doing a set of nails. As I say, it's quite nice, especially in the evenings. It does get quite chilly in here, and it's quite nice just to be able to pop something on my shoulders. So I picked up this for £3, and I thought that'd be super handy for work. Is the cardigan. I actually find this really flattering. I think where it's very tight on the arms, it's not like tight that it's uncomfortable, but it fits quite skin tight. I think this looks really flattering. I find sometimes a cardigan or a jumper can kind of really bulk up quite a skinny silhouette outfit like I'm wearing today, and I just think this looks really, really nice. So I actually think I probably wear this outside of work as well as in work, which is super practical and definitely clothes I like to buy. But that's everything I picked up. I really hope you enjoyed today's haul. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this sort of thing. Comment what your favourite charity shop find is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!